for clicking on our Saebo Hand Treatment Kit video. This video is a quick overview of what's included in the Saebo Hand Treatment Kit, or the HTK. The Saebo Hand Treatment Kit is a comprehensive upper extremity collection designed to treat acute and chronic conditions throughout the continuum of care. So whether in a hospital or a clinic, this all-in-one kit allows clinicians to intensify their treatment by addressing hand function, tone, sensory motor deficits, spasticity, soft tissue management, subluxation, pain, and edema. Also, several of our products can be used at the same time, thus increasing the efficiency of your treatment. And as a clinician, I know how important efficiency is. Here at Saebo, we are patient-centered and outcome-driven. Now, let's take a closer look at the Saebo Hand Treatment Kit. When you receive the Saebo Hand Treatment Kit, it will arrive in this 9-drawer toolbox. The toolbox is made of a blue powder-coated steel, has durable locking casters for easy rolling and safety, a lock to keep all the drawers and their belongings secure, and an electrical center on the side with power plugs and USB connectors for any of your products. On top of the toolbox, we have included this mat designed with the clinician in mind. It was designed as a quick treatment guide showing all of our HTK products and what symptoms they treat. For example, our Saebo-Stim Micro can be used to treat tone, muscle weakness, sensation issues, pain, and mild edema. Now, let's discuss what innovative products come with your Saebo Hand Treatment Kit. With the Saebo Hand Treatment Kit, you will receive 7 different products to help treat the upper extremity and its ailments. I'm going to share with you a quick overview of what each product is meant to treat, but do not have them in any specific order. All the products are evidence-based and shown to have positive results on all of the symptoms we've listed on the top mat of the toolbox. Here are 4 of our products included in the Saebo Hand Treatment Kit. You can treat multiple people per treatment day with all of these devices. This is the Saebo Flex. It is a dynamic training splint designed to help people with moderate to severe spasticity reclaim their ability to grasp and release. The spring system helps the user open their fingers after successfully using and shutting off the spastic muscles of the hand. This device helps with reducing tone and weakness in the hand and upper extremity. This is the Saebo Glove. It is a lightweight, low-profile device designed for people with mild spasticity to flaccidity of the hand. Using this device throughout the day helps people regain functional use of their affected limb. They can increase the strength of their hand and upper limb and their ability to perform fine motor tasks. This is the Saebo Stretch, our dynamic flexible resting hand splint, meant for people with moderate to no spasticity. When someone's spasticity increases, their fingers want to curl. The energy-storing hand plate lets their fingers bend and assists them back to a safe resting position. And this is the Saebo Mirror Box. Research shows that adding regularly scheduled sessions of mirror box therapy to anyone's current therapy program adds to the efficiency of their motor recovery, and it's a great adjunct to their routine. Here is our group of electrical stimulation solutions. The Saebo Hand Treatment Kit allows for multiple people to be treated with electrical stimulation at the same time. This blue device is the Saebo-Stim Pro, our functional electrical stimulation unit. It has multiple preset neuromuscular and transcutaneous electrical stimulation programs and is one of the only remaining devices that has a trigger for functional electrical stimulation training. This is the Saebo-Stim Micro, our sensory electrical stimulation device. This provides a low-level electrical stimulation and assists in the recovery of sensory deficits, reducing tone, increasing use of the affected or neglected arm, and also helps reduce pain, hypersensitivity, and helps with circulation and mild edema. This is the Saebo-Stim One, our wireless wearable electrical stimulation unit. You can use this during treatment, especially for patients that are suffering from subluxation. It's so easy, everyone can use it. That means your caregiver, your spouse, nursing, rehab techs, whomever. Of course, you can use this on other parts of the body to boost someone's recovery of spasticity, muscle weakness, shoulder subluxation in a different area, or mild edema. Before opening the drawers of the Saebo Hand Treatment Kit, please see this warning. Do not open more than 2 drawers at a time, as it may cause the entire kit to tip. The Saebo Hand Treatment Kit has customized drawer inserts dividing and organizing all the products and their accessories with extra space for storage. In the top drawer you will find manuals and order forms and digit caps and accessories for the Saebo Flex. In the top side-by-side drawers you will find all of the equipment associated with your Saebo Stim Micro. In the next drawer you can find the Saebo Stim Pro and all of its accessories, as well as the Saebo Stim 1 and all of its associated accessories. In the next drawers you'll find the Saebo Stretches and also the dorsal hand plates of the Saebo Flex. In the bottom drawers you'll find the forearm shells and the replacement pads of the Saebo Flex and the Saebo Glove and all of its accessories and parts. I want to thank you for watching the Saebo Hand Treatment Kit's unboxing video. We hope you understand a little more about why this is truly the best all-in-one kit for evidence-based upper limb recovery. For more information on any of the products I've talked about today, or any of our other innovative products, please visit us at www.saebo.com. And remember, with Saebo, there's no plateau in sight.